Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to your tarot reading. This is going to be a collective reading, but it's going to be in depth. I know this is like different setting because I wanted to see these cards clearly, how they're dropping, and yeah, because like when I show my face, it just is not very clear where it is falling and all those things, right? So you know it is me by my voice. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to do a classic tarot reading, like a message that you need to hear right now. This is going to be a timeless reading. So, whenever you find this reading, it is for you. This is a collective reading. So, obviously, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. I do readings of a particular time, like particular date as well, but not on this channel. I have another channel for that. Okay, so this is a timeless reading, a message that this beautiful soul needs to hear right now. That was a card from another deck. What? How is it landing over here? I'm going to shuffle this again. This is actually a friendship card. What? All right, but I'm going to shuffle this again. That was not a coincidence, though. Something came in here, which was like an odd one out. You might be resonating with the odd one out energy, like someone who thinks you might think that you're weird, that you don't fit in. Okay, so now what is the message for you? Okay, two cards dropped, three actually, four actually. What? Some are reverse, as you can see. Oh my god, six cards. 666 could be really significant for you as well. I'm going to show you all the cards one by one. Okay, so the first is I'm going to treat this as two spreads because this three came out and then this three came out together. So one is Fool reverse, sorry, Fool upright, and then the reverse, the Emperor reverse, and then the Star reverse. Okay, so many reverse cards over here. Even these has like reverse cards. Okay. Okay. All right. So there is a person in your past, basically a masculine energy that you have been thinking about a lot. Could be a friend because I got that friendship card earlier. Could be like a male friend that you have, like masculine energy type of friend. Would not say male friend though, because all of us have both energies, masculine and feminine. This person has masculine energy and is from your past. You find yourself thinking about this person a lot and you associate this person with a star. Maybe you wished to be with this person, you still wish to be with this person, or this person was like the star. Like, but here the star energy feels like, which is blinding, which is like they take away so much energy that there is nothing left for you. So that's the energy that this is giving. And the fool here, this is such beautiful energy. Oh my god, but you are thinking about this person a lot. What this fool is telling me is, see, this girl is trying to leap into this pool without any support whatsoever, just trusting. This is more of like a trust fall and has something in her hand as well. It's giving me more of like a sentimental energy, like, when you like something so much and you carry it around everywhere. That is what this is giving me the energy of. Being with this person was more like a trust fall, like you trusted this person so much and you just leaped without thinking, and you think right now that this was a bad decision. Like, you were not supposed to be so, what's the word for it, you were not supposed to be so childish, you were not supposed to be so reckless. Yeah, reckless is the word. You were not supposed to be so reckless. You should have felt, you should have played it safe, but you didn't play it safe. You actually you had the intuition to be with this person, intuition to talk to this person, and you kept on talking, you kept on talking. That's just my hair. Kept on talking, you kept on having conversation, and it didn't end well. So in the past, so you kind of regret it. There is some regret energy over here, like I shouldn't have trusted this person so much, right? Okay, so this is about a person. All right, I was not expecting that. Then another one, I got the world card here. The world card is a very beautiful card. It's about completion. I am not surprised that I got this card here. It is Six of Cups, which is about trust. See, this is like a faithful dog. Dogs are like man's best friends, right? So this is a person that you considered a friend, a person that you shared your secrets with, a person that you trusted, a person that you spent so much time with. You have so many beautiful memories. Like maybe you really like set up a future for them. Like, what's the word for that? Like you imagined your future with this person, either, or you have been with this person for a long time. Like there was a long time, or it felt like a long time, right? Take what resonates here, because here the child is becoming a man, or this person literally made you mature, literally made you adventurous, and taught you so many things unknowingly. But this came out reverse. So right now you're out of this energy. Like you're not missing this person so much, but you find yourself thinking about this person. You're not missing this person so much right now. So that is out of the equation right now. And next up I got Two of Wands, but reverse. Two of Wands, but reverse. All right. So, what this energy is telling me, like your guides are trying to tell you that it was not a bad decision. Basically, I think you got that from this reading. 7 7 on the timer as I saw it. You might have literally imagined future with them. Like you literally imagined, like I could live with this person, I could be with this person, or I could be with this person in stages of life. What I'm hearing, like this could be the person that you would call first when you have a good news or something like that. Like you, maybe you recently lost a best friend, or recently there's some distance between this person, or this could be romantic as well. But I'm getting like a deep connection, the type of connection that you built with a best friend, that type of connection. So you are no longer talking to this person, or either there's a no contact situation over here. However, you're going through this process, and this is like very heavy energy as well. But the world card is telling me that now you know, you understand your worth, you understand your value. You know that this person was a star, and this person had this great beautiful qualities. But you also understand how they treated you. You also understand the downsides. You also understand the human aspects of this person. Like this person is not so special as you made up in your mind. Like this was just a regular person that you had a deep connection with, but this is just a person. This person also has their own flaws, their own insecurities. Believe it or not, they are also having their own problems. Insecurities is a big one over here, because I'm getting that a lot. I'm repeatedly getting that. So guides are basically telling you that yes, you are on the right path, and this person was not a bad decision. You were supposed to be with this person in that particular time. They came here to teach you something. They came here to give you some beautiful experiences. And this was not a lesson, not karmic or whatever, nothing. But this was a beautiful experience. Okay. And now that you understand your worth, you know that you're whole on your own. You don't need another person. You don't need another person. If you want another person, that's a want, but it's not a need. And you finally realize that now. Like this is like, see this beautiful woman over here just feeling like, oh, I'm whole. This is giving that energy. However, this is a woman, but this applies to everyone here. But this is such a beautiful energy. Instead of like, you are not in the wallowing energy anymore. Like you are no longer missing this person so much that you cannot go on your day. Like you're out of it, you're out of it. You finally understand that you're complete on your own, you're whole on your own. And whoever comes in, like your life is a party, and you finally understand that. So whoever gets invited to the party is a lucky one. and whoever decides to not come to the party is losing this. And that's okay, let it go, but you're still going to enjoy the party. If you're in a party, you're not going to sit there and think that, oh, this person didn't come, so I can't enjoy this party anymore. Sure, you will just sit down in a corner for 5 minutes and you'll think that if this person was here, it would be so great. But then after that, you would just get up and start enjoying the party. You start enjoying the treats that are there, the sweets that are there, you'd start enjoying the food, you start talking to other people. It would just start happening, right? Wow, I'm tripping over my words. Like, this is like very natural to happen. It is natural, it was natural to be with this person, to have these beautiful experiences. It was natural to be away from this person. Even that's natural. It's not your karma, it's not this person's karma. It's not like you messed up something, you were supposed to be a certain way but you never were, or you made a mistake. No, it's not. It is supposed to be like this. This distance is supposed to be there. And the way you became so whole on your own, I mean, sure, this period was a bit tough, and I'm feeling that heavy dark energy as well. Like, there were a few days in between where you didn't feel like you could go on, you were missing this person so much, and you were constantly beating yourself up trying to replay the conversations that you had in the past. Like, what did I do wrong? What did I say wrong? Like, did I text too much? Did I text too less? Was I supposed to push back? Like, what is so wrong with me that this person is not talking to me? You know, all those things. But now you understand it. It was nobody's fault. It just happened, whatever. You understand your value now. Okay, I'm going to shuffle some more cards and see if there are some any last minute messages or not. I'll just keep it away because you already understood this message. So any last minute messages for you regarding this? Wow, this was such a beautiful energy, like the way you realized everything, and it was all worth it because in the end you got yourself. If you find yourself, it's always a winning deal. It's always a winning deal. Any last minute messages for you to hear about this? Okay. The way no card is coming out, it feels like you don't need any message right now. Like, you understand it. There is only one card that fell, and that's it, and that is King of Wands. King of Wands reverse. This is again with this masculine energy. This card came again. So this person might come back, but you won't feel the same way anymore. Because, I mean, I'm not saying that you won't feel the same way anymore, but like in a way that this is now you are a new person right now. Like, you understand your worth, and now you are with this person again. So you would be someone with a new energy. You would have conversations in a different way. Now you understand your value. Before, you were just like floating away. Like, whenever this person would compliment you or be nice to you, would be like, oh my god, this person is so nice, and I'm so lucky, and I'm so glad that I'm with this person, which is also a very good energy. But now you're like, I'm glad that this person is with me, but I know that I have always got myself. Like, I know that, right? So it is up to you. Like, whenever this person comes back, whether you want to be with this person or you want to like not be with this person. Because this is giving me very like mixed energy over here, because this came out reverse. Okay, so they might come back and you'd be like, oh my god, the lights are on. All right, they might come back and you'll be like, I don't want you anymore. Or they might come back a bit changed, and you're also changed. So this might be a new level of your relationship, a new phase of your relationship or your friendship, new phase of this connection, basically. So it's all up to you. I'm getting very like choice type of energy over here. It's like it's your choice whether you want to be with this person or you want to just keep this energy in the past, or whether you want a closure with this person, you want this person to explain things, or you're like, you know what, I'm good. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. But this is a very beautiful energy. The World card and the King of Wands. The World card is very beautiful energy, and this is you. This is you. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. If you want to claim this energy, make sure that you are following this channel, that you subscribe to this channel, and you're commenting down below, I claim this energy. I accept this energy because this energy was so beautiful. Oh my god, like you finally realizing your worth. It's not like you didn't know who you were, like you always knew that you were the one. Like you always knew that you were beautiful, you were charming, and you deserved everything. But this person gave you a whole another perspective. It's almost like you fell a little bit more in love with yourself and you understood more about yourself now, right now. It's like, wow, that's like such a beautiful energy. Also, I will put another link in the description box if you want to join a program, if you want to dive deeper into spirituality and manifest beautiful things in your life. You can choose to join the program. It would be down below. Click on the link, read all the details, and then decide. It's all up to you. I love you guys so much, and I will be back with another tarot reading, another beautiful reading very, very soon.